Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen after making a sharp fall from a level of around $5249, we have seen $5249, we have seen there is a downfall. Okay, and we have seen there is a sharp fall towards a level of $514. This is a 15-minute chart, so you can see these are the two candles where we have seen a sharp fall. After that, what if you see this particular candle, we have seen that this is the pattern forming. Okay, but if you see this level, this is the zone where the price is moving for so long. Going on a 2-hour chart, you will see clearly how the price is moving. Okay, so in this video I will be explaining you 15 minutes chart, 2 hours chart, daily, and then finally weekly chart, where you will understand how the price is moving and how the price can go in the next 2 days. See, so in this video I will be explaining you 15 minutes chart, daily chart, and then finally no. So in this video I will be explaining you 15 minutes chart, 2 hours chart, and then finally daily chart, so you can understand how the price is moving. Okay, if you look at this particular chart, we have seen the price is moving in this zone. Okay, as well as it is trying to go a narrow zone. So if it keeps sustaining above this level, probability is high it can move towards 5180, and from there it will cross a level of 5182. Because this is a weak level, so we can see it will rise towards 5185, and once started crossing a level of 5191, we can see there will be a zone breakout, because a level of around 177 5 keep falling below this level and goes below 170 517, then it can move towards 5166, and from there it will move below a level of 5163, then a chance of going below 5156 will be there, then there is zone breakout, so further fall can be seen. Okay, and then it can move, and this is the gap we can see at a level of 5108, which is still pending. So we can see there is a probability if it move out from this zone, we can see chances of filling this gap can be there. Coming back on a 2-hour chart, but before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, if you look at this particular chart, 5124 is a strong level. Okay, from there a bounce back can be seen. So remember, 5124 is a strong level. But if the price keep moving off this level, we can see it can move towards $5183, and if that's sustained, a probability of going towards 5191 is there. Okay, this is the level. If it keeps sustaining above this level, probability of going towards 5202 will be there, and from there a level of around 5218, and then it will cross a level of $5236, which is a weak level. So we can see the price will rise above that level, and from there it will move towards 5247, then a further upside can be seen. Okay, so remember, if can touch a level of 5300 to a level of 5350 and to a level of 5400 on, it can make a new high also. But if it keep falling below this level, it can move below a level of 5160, from there a level of $5145, and if that didn't sustain, we can see a level of 5125, then to a level of $5108. Okay, this is the zone we can see. Once started going below this level, we can see a level of 5078, and then it will move towards 5047. This is what we can see, and then a further low can be there. Okay, now understand, if the price keep moving over this level, a further upside also can be seen. But coming back on a daily chart, you will understand clearly how the price is moving on a daily basis. Remember to trail your SL by around $15 or $20, depending on how the volatility is. Okay, and chances are very high, we can see there will be an upside if it keep moving above $5181. Okay, because see, chances are high this pattern will support an upside, and gap is still pending at 5108. So we can see if it keep falling below 5071 5171, we can see it can come down towards a level of 5141, and then from there this gap can be filled. So we can see there is a higher chance of further down. I have clearly mentioned you that a level of 5121 is a strong level. So if the price fall below this level, the gap will be filled. But if the price keep moving above this level, we can see if above a level of 5232, we can see a further upside movement, and chance of crossing 5248 is there. This is the zone we can see. Okay, if the price started going upside, we can see it can go further high, and a probability of going further upside can be seen. Okay, so now what you can see, suppose if the price started going upside, we can see it can touch a level of $5235. Okay, and if the price moving off this level, we can see a level of 5245. Okay, and if the price moving above that particular level, a further upside can be seen, which is coming at a level of $5416. Okay, and if the price moving off that particular level, we can see a level of $5,449. Again, I repeat, if the price sustain above this level, the next resistance coming directly at 5235, which is R1, and then from there we can see very close to it 545245. This is the resistance too. And if the price moving off that particular level, we can see it will touch a level of 5419, okay, which is R3, and from there we can see very close to a level of $54.49, which is an R5. Keep trailing your SL by around $20 if the price keeps sustaining above a level of 5232, because chances of further upside can be very high. Okay, this pattern will support an upside, as well as if it keep moving off this level, the next resistance directly coming at a level of $54.19, so further upside can be seen. But if it started coming down, we can see the next level directly coming as today's low, which is coming very close to it around $5142, which is a support one. And if the price falling below this level, chance of going towards a level of 5119 is there, which is support 2. Suppose if the price fall below this level, chance of going towards 5093 can be seen, and if the price falling below that particular level, 5049 is there. Okay, and once the price fall below that level, we can see a level of 5009, and if the price fall below that level, a further fall can be seen. Remember that as soon as the price fall below 5121, a chance of touching 5108 will be there, because there is a gap pending, and from there it will move further down. And yes, after that a probability of crossing towards a level of 5090 can be there, then to a level of 5081, and then from there we can see next support of 5044, then to a level of 5035, and then it can move towards 5020 to a level of $5006. Okay, and once the price fall below that particular level, we will see it will fall. We can see there can be a further fall. So trail your SL by around $15 to $20, so at least you will capture upside movement as well as downside. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe.